Ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba deba JNCN page so medi ede adwoa sechi Mesbel na okase na Mesbel ne nsema okay na ne se obi ani wa obetumi a distract no every ne positive vibes ho na afi 2021 ya yesimi oye focused pa enti obia entumi engige no na Mesbel ede ensem we nyina atudwa esign oni Efia Schwarzenegger omo ensensem a ekoso ewo internet ne so no na Efia Schwarzenegger na Mesbel omo ensensem ne de yenim da eto ebetwa ebusuafo ye nenim se Mesbel ene na Efia omo ye very good friends pa yenim ensem a eba ye omo entem tete yenim ade potenti a na any reasons ne de bebraba Efia Schwarzenegger se Mesbel ekofa no boy Mesbel so se Efia Schwarzenegger eni suban ene ensem ne de bebre na nanse Mesbel eko United Showbiz so eko ka se afi 2021 ye yesimi onpe abodin keke bia onpe hehe na tokwa Mesbel no ados nti onpe bio nti wako saman Efia Schwarzenegger ewo na aweho so omo frɛ Efia Schwarzenegger na omu entu ne fo because onpe ntoka bia Efia Schwarzenegger eko United Showbiz bisa ne se Mesbel ede na akobia bi sen so omo enfrɛ no entu ne fo na etesen Efia se onya lete bia Mesbel esanso eko United Showbiz eko ka se ensem ode ekoto na ewe ho se omo enka asem ni bi emano no obi eni wa frɛ no Efia Schwarzenegger na asem no omo endi achi na ewe no omo eye fraud entimana obia emfa na sem enkoho a ensem no ekoye bebre a na ewe kra ne spokesperson eba radio so ebeka ensem bebre se Mesbel kra na opese okoku Efia Schwarzenegger ne ehusem ai bebre leni na Efia Schwarzenegger aba out aba reply Mesbel ene ye ni mafia ayeya emu ayeya de wa ayeya Mesbel papa ene ensem ndre Efia keka wo internet ne so enye ensem ketwa ni na ne se adenti na ka Mesbel opese okokunu na Mesbel wa ye ne dey ene ensem no de bebre na adofie nti ensem a Efia ede eto dwa ne kakra
nti why na yesi ede ko university oso wonko mese mo kwa achi won tafu na mo ko busa John Bill awieye na maka che mama se munyi nsen a wo ahwe wo ba oba ta won tiri ni waduane hwe ne ba no 4 hour phone hwe ne ba no 4 hour phone wo do ba koma ko hwini we mo angasa me se de ya na me da ho ni ye wo me ye me ya na nse mo ye wo mo nya mo ya sa o se ye wo na ye wo ya onwo enda wo na woni wo bia wo play victim everybody you are victim even to the extent say John Bill akola wo ko for 2 years mon friends na mo mani kosua na yewe onfa abotire wa moni hudua abotire wa eyensuo onfa nto asuo nya ma moni hudua sa asem na me kan me boa se wa onfa John Bill ama me fie kwa na na 2017 December me wa 2017 December 31st onfa abotire wa moni hudua so dia akola na ma me fie no wa nto smell of ice ama akola no obije ana akola na no already 3 ama akola na bejiri wo mfia ama me mana ampam wo ma wo mani wudua wase aba wedi kai wa duro so aye wa no sa amofia iwani mfia yedu wase mo catch our boyfriends no wo catch ma wo sugar daddy be am from you because I was sitting at my day afei ye ni be you obi text messages egu am until you pe bi amonye ana sugar daddy no be am from you ma soma mo wo yire no ma soma mo se mo ngodi tutu no fucking anybody should call me and the word I'm using for all of you is fucking bitches fucking bitch ass old men now what say we yire nyiri now with the Mesbel and so you wicked man Mesbel go 50 years now what say we yire about 50 years person that's some you wicked people I will mention your name and I'll put your text messages out nobody should call me Siafo nobody should call me Siafo nobody you are married men who decided not to respect your homes assholes nobody should call me it's about to grow it won't go down it's about to grow is about to no fucking ass. Are you hearing me, sugar daddies of Miss Bell? Nobody should call me. You are assholes. I've been a woman for you 49 years. What you ready saying? One wedding and one woman, so what's me down because you're too neat. One on trauma or phone. Nobody should call me. This should be the last warning. Call somebody on. Whatever friend BM, they go back to social media. I will post your messages too. Make a when you were calling me to beg me, I told you people that my silence means I'm loading my bullets. But when you're not Jimmy, you are first to call me. You don't call that bitch. Morning, the affair was nigga and you're too near Mudin on the end of your monkey. What my friend, you mean Chiauka? What my friend, you mean Chiauka? What did Miss Bell? What are we here? What could Miss Bell? Now, somewhere we do better from them. I saw in it, more penny, you want Chiauka. Oh, yes, you need trust me. Was penny. It's about to go fucking down. And my small yes, or be a man coming. And I want to show me how soon you need trust in my flower. Jimmy. Why the frail was Siaba? One minute I time I me fear. This is my goddamn fucking house that I bought with my heart and intelligence on my pussy. A boy or Siaba. Hey, I will be so to all. Do you know what it? Sabi, and your crobophone, but crobophone Binimuntino, croboni before than for a careful. Because Nipada said, yeah, we are dead. I'll pour a teacher the wood. Me phobia. Listen, more be from you. And you flash away Jimmy for and collect Mobusu and 40 to Monase. More for music and show. Who did you show me? I mean, 12 hours for your friend.
Second bad girl, Tiwa Savage. It's on the front page.
Hey, Mobu, I don't take shit, oh. Let me brief it to Ghanaians. I am a very serious-minded motherfucker. Mobia for the Jimmy Mama. So, Samantha, you are about to deal with mother. Kwadana, catch your money. First, money, me make a interview for the past how many weeks. Maybe no one has said I don't drink alcohol. And the non-alcohol drinking Valentina. Bitch, mo first South African amunsa. Ha, mama family go be mo. Me a major we a you are about to deal with a very straight motherfucker. And to be a shall some wounds to never Jimmy no. Me say wa we ya Miss Bell sugar that the other frame be no. Me share that am here live we me the warning mu nyina. Wo frame me call live. Na me the want to speaker. Na wo yire ati nkoma me nu mienu ye die. Wo de wo kwate e share wo flap mu and I will too much. We won't be having this conversation. If your side chick is going to look for trouble, and the trouble is called a Fia Schwarzenegger, please, the Fia Schwarzenegger you people have been dealing all this year was a very weak woman. You are about to deal with Valentina Diamond Nanejiwa. Don't mess with this woman you are looking at. She's a very serious-minded person who doesn't take shit. And then when they shit, S-H-I-T shit from anybody. Why a year, 1 year, one after toilet throw, everybody will throw. Someone in Amate, someone 1 year, my name, everybody told that. A poor owner. What the mama say? No, be for phone and friend. What do you trust me? If you people think I was disrespectful, wait until you reach the sober me. You are about to identify the suspect. Call your bitch. Call Miss Bell. What? I am sitting at my desk. The way I begin popping up in her conversation, I fucking stupidly, bitchily do not understand. No fucking asshole in the name of whatever bitch ass stupid man that you leave your matrimonial home to sleep with prostitutes. I don't care who you are. Don't call me again. Let me hear from anybody again. I will use you as an example for the rest of the people who are about to deal with me. 2021. 2021 is about to be lit. It's about to be lit. And don't forget saying I slept with a dog. Your mother slept with a fear and sunyame. If I for once you claim I slept with a dog, your father is a dog. And you know who your father is? A local dog. Your father is a dog in Kotobabi. Ne wunu no for ne kote ebo from o ma bi jimi for no or ne papa kwasia die and guess the product you kwasia for a jimi for. Have a lovely Friday and let me sit my ass in my house and hear any motherfucker calling me and listen to me. This is my page. I put anything anytime. Thank you very much. Have a good day. If you want to cheat on your wife, look for a woman with a class, not a classless, useless pig like something called Miss Bella. But watch away. Wuja we yere ho. Wo papa na friend we di 43. Wo kwa wo buade a Miss Bella your auntie. Wasia wa go di no friend. Wo friend. Let anybody call me again. You will see my apples. You see this one is part of the apples. You will see my doona. I will show you my doona. Try it. Try me right now. I'm going to show you my doona. Do you understand what I'm saying? I will show you my doona right now. Do you fucking understand that? Have a lovely evening. Baby!
Nti adofo na yehu nsem afia Schwarzenegger ekan e wa bra Maysbell na ewe ho ensensem no ba out. Na eno na Maysbell so abema afia Schwarzenegger reply. Na yenti reply a Maysbell de ama afia. O kire say, you can no longer feed off my energy and distract me and distract my positive vibes. I am focused pa. Back all you want. Rant all you can. And family home. Entinwe na Maysbell aka.